The fuel supply system stores fuel and delivers it to the engine cleanly and consistently. Depending on the setup, that may be a diesel tank with supply and return lines, a natural gas feed with regulators and piping, or a hybrid system that blends fuels. No matter the fuel type, the goal is the same: a sealed, properly routed delivery path that maintains stable flow and pressure when the generator takes load. When problems develop, you may see wet fittings or fuel odor on liquid systems, or you may have small leaks, restrictions, or air intrusion that lead to hard starts, uneven running, surging, or shutdowns under load. Contamination is also a factor, such as water or sediment in liquid fuel storage or debris in piping and regulators. Some systems also use metering components like a rack or valve assembly, but the core requirement is clean fuel and stable delivery. This is why we inspect storage and piping for leaks and routing, check for contamination or restriction, and verify fuel supply stability under load, not just whether the unit starts.